Hello, this is Soran. I'm from Kurdistan region of Iraq. I live in Suleymaniye, a diverse city where I proudly contributed to its nomination as a UNESCO Creative City in 2017. I joined this program with a professional career already established in art, culture, literature, communication, creative industry, as well as cinema. This program is transformative, teaching the power of public and cultural diplomacy to foster understanding between nations. The world-class faculty providing an international perspective, equipping us to tackle the global complex challenge. The networking opportunities have been invaluable, connecting us with the global community. Now I'm doing my internship as part of the program at one of the major embassies here in Rome, which is a pivotal step in my career in international relations. MAPSIT isn't just about learning. It's about launching a career dedicated to creating a better world. If you are driven by this, I recommend looking at this program.